Today's top stories are: Salman ne kaise kiya Pulkit ko convince to give his marriage a second chance. Priyanka nailed it with Quantico. The lady wins an award for her series. Sanjay Dutt's release news leaves B-Town elated. And the industry reacts to Deepika hiking her fees post Bajirao success. Hey guys, welcome to Spot Boy Sab Kuch Bollywood. This is me, Caitlin, with an all-new episode. Spot Boy. Spot Boy's got hot goss from Salman's birthday bash yet again. Seems like this one was a hell of a party with lots of Bollywood masala. This time it was Pulkit Samrat getting some serious advice from Salman at the bash. Spot Boy ko pata chala hai ki Salman advised Pulkit on his troubled marriage, and what that advice was, well, let's find out. Salman's 50th birthday party was 50 shades of awesome. It was fun, controversial and crazy. पर अभी जो हम आपको बताने वाले हैं, शायद after hearing that, you'll fall in love with Salman. That is, if you don't love him already. और क्योंकि Spot Boy जानता सब कुछ है, it allows us to tell you something that no one else knows. Here is a little goss from the bash. सलमान ने अपनी rocking birthday party में किया एक heart-to-heart discussion with Pulkit Samrat. Unlike everyone's expectation, सलमान थे पुलकित से काफी sweet. उन्होंने पुलकित के साथ अपनी दिल की wish share की and told him that he wants to see his little sister Shweta happy, which probably made Pulkit realize how important Shweta is to Salman. The result is for everyone to see. लगता है पुलकित ने कर दिया है यामी को goodbye and is ready to give Shweta and his marriage a second chance. Of course, Bhai wanted to avoid a Kodak moment, so Shweta was missing from the scene. She was in Delhi attending her grandfather's birthday celebration. Perhaps there's good news awaiting her in Mumbai. Now that's what you truly call being human. Sanjay Dutt की release news ने पूरे B-Town को कर दिया है excited. We recently caught up with the celebs at Wazir's screening and everyone was talking about Sanju Baba's release. The entire industry is upbeat and excited with the news of Sanjay Dutt's release on the 27th of February 2016. और industry की यही excitement दिखी at Wazir's screening, जहां spot हुए B-Town's biggies. From Anil Kapoor to Vidhu Vinod Chopra to Kangana Ranaut, all seemed elated with the news.
और जब वो आएंगे तो उससे ज़्यादा हमको खुशी नहीं होगी.
इससे अच्छी खबर क्या हो सकती है? पहले से हमें पता था, मगर आज फॉर्मली अनाउंस किया गया है, पेपर में मैंने भी पढ़ा, तो मुझे तो पता था कि फरवरी में वो रिलीज़ हो रहे हैं. तो मुझे लगता है कि हम सब के लिए, पूरे इंडस्ट्री के लिए और हम सब के लिए इससे ज़्यादा खुशी की बात क्या हो सकती है. एंड ही विल कम एज अ मच मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर एंड मच बेटर एंड अ बिगर स्टार.
मैं इसके बारे में बस ऑल द बेस्ट कहना चाहूँगा और
उनके आते ही हम पार्टी करेंगे.
So I'm very happy for him. I think a big burden is off his back. He had fought this for many years, and I think I'm very happy for him and his family that he's finally coming back and he'll be clean and you'll be seeing a new and fresher Sanjay Dutt.
Anil Kapoor, जो कि संजय दत्त के साथ पहले काम कर चुके हैं, shared his happiness with the media.
उसमें बायोपिक भी बन रही है जिसमें रणबीर कपूर काम कर रहे हैं. हाँ, मतलब आप
अभी तो हमें इसकी खुशी मनाते कि वो बाहर आ रहे हैं, उसके बाद प्रोफेशनली बात करेंगे. मेरे ख्याल से यही खुशी की बात है, मेरे ख्याल से पूरे परिवार के लिए, हम सब के लिए कि वो बाहर आ रहे हैं. फिल्म की बात करेंगे. मेरे ख्याल से यही खुशी की बात है, मेरे ख्याल से पूरे परिवार के लिए, हम सब के लिए कि वो बाहर आ रहे हैं.
वही विधु विनोद चोपड़ा ने भी बताया as to how he has been praying for Sanjay's release.
देखिए, हम उनके लिए पिछले कई सालों से कहानियां लिख रहे हैं और हमारे पास उनके लिए एक से ज़्यादा कहानी जो है तैयार है. और जब वो आएंगे तो उससे ज़्यादा हमको खुशी नहीं होगी कि एक इंसान ने एक भूल की और उस भूल का उन्होंने प्रायश्चित किया और उनके लिए ये उनका नया जन्म है और उसमें हम उनके साथ हैं.
And when asked about Munna Bhai's sequel with Sanju Baba, this is what he had to say.
मुन्ना भाई जरूर बनेगी, हम लिख रहे हैं. एक्चुअली दिल्ली फ्लाइट में मैं और अभिजात जोशी साथ में थे और हम मुन्ना भाई लिखते यहाँ तक आए. अभी मैं एयरपोर्ट से यहाँ तक मुन्ना भाई लिखते आए.
रास्कल में संजय दत्त के साथ काम कर चुकी कंगना रनौत ने भी अपनी हैप्पीनेस एक्सप्रेस की. The lady is all set to party once Dutt is out.
बिल्कुल, उनके आते ही हम पार्टी करेंगे.
वैसे तो इस स्क्रीनिंग का टॉकिंग पॉइंट was Sanjay Dutt's release, but we also spotted a few other celebs who were quite happy to attend the screening of Wazir. हमने स्पॉट किया फिल्म की कास्ट, फरहान अख्तर, अदिति रॉय हैदरी, सचिन तेंदुलकर, रितेश सिद्धवानी, दीनो मौर्य, शर्मन जोशी, रवीना टंडन, चंकी पांडे, जोया अख्तर और रीमा कागटी को भी।
Priyanka Chopra is a happy woman right now. This multi-talented dame has won an award for her international series Quantico. PC ने अपनी happiness share की with her fans by sharing a pic on Twitter. More on this in our next story.
Bow down to the Desi girl Piggy Chops. She smashed the People's Choice Awards 2016. उन्होंने जीता है Favorite Actress in a New TV Series का खिताब उनके शो Quantico के लिए। This win is quite an achievement for Priyanka and her fans, as PC is now the first Indian actress to win an award at the prestigious People's Choice Awards. Priyanka was nominated amongst other well-known English television actresses, but she beat them all to bag the award. उनके साथ अवार्ड शो में प्रेजेंट थी उनकी मॉम, जिनको PC ने डेडिकेट किया अपना अवार्ड। Priyanka plays an FBI agent Alex Parrish in the famous American show Quantico. Award ceremony के लिए she looked like $1,000,000 wearing a glittering Vera Wang number. Spot Boy salutes your talent and spirit. You go, Priyanka.
And we have another happy lady in town. हम बात कर रहे हैं दीपिका पादुकोण की, जिन्होंने रेज कर दी है अपनी प्रोफेशनल फीस. We asked the industry's reaction on Deepika's fee hike, and let's listen up to what they have to say.
Recently, we shared with you कि कैसे बॉलीवुड बात कर रहा है about the pay differences between the actors and the actresses. लेकिन लगता है someone is in a total mood to change this trend and soon. हम बात कर रहे हैं दीपिका पादुकोण की, who has risen her professional fees from 10 crores to 15 crores after giving back-to-back hits in 2015. Well, Deepika is certainly worth it. Spot Boy ने आपको पहले बताया about Deepika's role in the XXX franchise, in which she'll be starring with Vin Diesel. Spot Boy ने बात की Deepika के डायरेक्टरों से to find out more on this. Director Siddharth Anand, who directed Deepika in Bachna Hai Hasino, had this to say: Deepika has proved that she's a true blue director's actress. Otherwise, how do you please filmmakers like Sanjay Leela Bhansali, Imtiaz Ali and Shajit Sircar in the same breath? She'll pack in so many more surprises in the years to come. And then बात की रेस 2 के मेकर रमेश तौरानी से, और उनका इस फीस हाइक के बारे में ऐसा कहना है.
Hike is always depend upon the what movie you are making and how you are making, with whom you are making, and the economics of the total film and the budget. And you know, all top heroines and heroes and all actors now know the economics of the film when the film is made. So everyone gets their fair due and fair share of the profits from the film. Deepika has grown as an actor. We all have seen her growth, and you know, from film to film, every film changes more surprise in her performances, and she has grown as an actor a lot. और अभी तो इस साल की मतलब जितनी पिक्चरें उसने की हैं, पिक्कू, बाजीराव मस्तानी, and कौन सी की थी, तमाशा, तो you can see her growth and see her performances are so good in the films, you know, all films.
ट्रेड इन रूमर्स के बारे में क्या कह रही है? ट्रेड एनालिस्ट अमोद मेहरा shares his views.
दीपिका deserves whatever she gets, क्योंकि एक ना ही वो इतनी बेहतरीन कलाकार है, but she is also doing very different kind of cinemas and she worth the money she's being paid. In fact, आज के तारीख में she is as good as any other male star. आज इतनी उसकी popularity है कि she can carry a film on her own shoulders.
अमोद ने फाइनली अपने थॉट्स सम अप करते हुए बोला,
अगर आप देखेंगे 1 to 10, तो जैसे अमिताभ बच्चन एक जमाने में थे कि बोलते थे 1 to 10 अमिताभ बच्चन है, उसके बाद 11 नंबर चालू होता है. सिमिलरली आज अगर आप देखेंगे फीमेल एक्ट्रेसेस में, तो दीपिका पादुकोण is 1 to 10.
Well, Deepika is certainly a trend changer, and here's wishing her all the best for her future endeavors.
With that, it's time to wrap up this edition of Spotboy. But stay connected to Spotboy's Sab Kuch Bollywood by logging onto our site and our YouTube channel. Update kariye hamara free app on your Android and iOS. And for those who don't have it yet, download it now. We're also on Facebook and Twitter. This is me, Caitlin, signing off. But we will be back with Spotboy's second edition tonight at 10.